Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast at the Nassau Cruise Port, Nassau Bahamas. Recording here approaching the Marina area. You can see some renovations to the side here. They're looking at adding a pool. This is something different than when I was here about a year ago. You can see some small boats taking off, some smaller tours or opportunities to see the waters from further out. And it's very, very clean waters. I'm going to test my extendable Insta360 stick and get you closer to the water. You can see the bottom, super clear, super clean. Earlier I saw some fish coming through here. I don't see them now, but perhaps they will return. Super clear waters, and you can see the boats going out. It looks to be a marina station on the far side, and observation binoculars. You can see more of the boats parked, ready to go. Looking down, I don't see any fish on this side, but nice clear water regardless. Continuing on the marina section, you can see some of these smaller piers, and up ahead, senior frogs, various palm trees, and a nice area for observation. You can see a lighthouse in the far back next to some trees. We'll move further down and get a better view of it. Getting closer to the side. The water, again, very clear on this side as well. And the lighthouse towards the back. You can get a good view of that. And some of the boats going out as well. Looks like a bar over the water off to the side. And some people on the other side getting views as well. You can see the boats in the back, Carnival and a Disney cruise ship. There's an amphitheater up ahead, very large stage area in a field. And over here, a nice sidewalk area with all kinds of different trees. Interesting architecture out here. Green building up ahead and another pink building over here. Not clear what these buildings are, but they are here nonetheless. Getting some palm trees right ahead and different types of plant life on the bottom. So going well so far here in Nassau, Bahamas. Lots to see, lots of shops, restaurants, local wares for sale. In my next video, I'll explore some more of the shops inside of the cruise port as opposed to the straw market outside of it. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Nassau, Bahamas, Cruise Port with Holland America Nieuw Statendam cruise ship. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned for future content.